Imagine spending months building an online course only to launch it and see zero sales. Well, this is a reality for most people, but it doesn't have to be for you. In fact, there are 3 simple things you can do to virtually guarantee your course will sell every time. By using these strategies, you can see results like Steve, who went from not making any sales for months on his own to finally selling his courses in his sleep. Or Constance, who was making $2,000 per month from her course before we'd even finished her sales page. So in this video, I'm going to show you the 3 things that will guarantee your online course sells, how to build better courses faster, and the one thing that allows you to effortlessly sell courses in your sleep. But first, you need to understand the real reason people do buy online courses. The global online course market is predicted to pass $350 billion by 2025. While it sounds like an amazing opportunity, you're probably thinking, well, why isn't anyone buying my course? That's exactly how I felt when I started building courses. I spent a solid year and a half building 6 online courses that didn't make me a penny. I'd never felt more defeated in my life, and I almost gave up. But I believed that selling courses in my sleep was possible and that I could do it if I kept trying. So I stayed the course. And when I launched my next course, the craziest thing happened. I checked my computer in the morning and saw that I made $200 while I was sleeping. This sale purely came from free content, a couple of emails, and a simple landing page. I had zero interaction with the person who bought it, and they still paid me hundreds of dollars. A few weeks later, I made another sale, and then another, and then another. Next thing I knew, I was able to pay my rent every month from this one online course, and it was happening on autopilot. Now, the question I get all the time is, what's the difference between that online course and the 6 other courses that didn't sell? That course was the first time I really got to know my audience's pains, challenges, hopes, dreams, and obstacles. Then I created a program that solved a specific problem they had. And that's the number one reason people buy online courses, to solve a problem. Nobody wakes up in the morning and thinks, I'd just love to buy an online course today. No, they buy because they want the result the course will give them. And if you aren't crystal clear on all their pains, desires, and objections ahead of time, you won't be able to speak to them the right way and make the sale. And by the way, if you want to get everything you need to know to build great digital products and sell them in your sleep, I have a free masterclass that walks you through the entire process. There's a link in the description, or you can always go to profityourknowledge.com/masterclass. The bottom line here is that building an online course isn't hard. Anybody can slap together some videos and upload them to a course platform. Marketing and selling the course, that's the hard part. But that gets so much easier when you follow these next 3 tips. So here are the top 3 ways to guarantee your online course will sell. Number 1 is to define a clear result. If potential buyers don't understand the specific benefits and outcome your course delivers, they won't see a reason to buy. Think of it like buying a ticket to some mystery destination. Most people want to know where they're going before they commit, unless you're into that sort of thing. You little daredevil. To do this, you need to engage with your audience. Get to know them in their situation. Pretty soon, you'll start to see that most people are experiencing the same issues and they want the same results. That is when you know you have a great course. This is so important because when you're selling a course in a funnel, you don't have the same luxuries as when you're selling in person. In person, you can ask questions and clarify things on the fly. A funnel is fixed, it's rigid. You have to know their pains, desires, and objections so you can address them ahead of time. And that leads us to the second thing that will guarantee your course sells, which is good marketing. Even the best courses can go unnoticed without good marketing. Imagine putting all of your energy into planning a party to see no one show up because you forgot to send the invitations. This is what most people do when they're building courses. The smart way is to focus less on the product development side and more on the marketing and sales side of things. Put more energy into things like writing engaging and persuasive sales copy that highlights the unique benefits of your course, clearly communicating the specific problem your course solves and the need it fulfills, and consistently creating valuable free content like blog posts, YouTube videos, or podcasts that build trust, showcases your expertise, and addresses their objections. When people book calls with me through my YouTube channel, they always say that they feel like they know me, but we've never met before. And that's the power of creating valuable content ahead of time. It creates warm leads. When people know, like, trust, and respect you, they're more likely to buy your products. Having great content will do most of the heavy lifting for you. But even if you've defined a clear problem your course solves and have good marketing, you will still struggle to sell your courses without this next piece. And that's undeniable proof. Testimonials and reviews play a massive role in building trust and credibility. Without them, potential buyers are more likely to doubt that your course works. It's like choosing a restaurant. You're more likely to eat somewhere that has good reviews than one with none. But what if you don't have a lot of testimonials? Well, the truth is that all you need to start selling your course is just 3 good reviews. Obviously, more is better, but if you can just get 3 solid reviews for your product, you will be in a good position to start making sales. And quite frankly, you probably have more than you realize. It's up to you to just get serious about collecting them. Here are some tips to get you started. Ask current and past clients to give you testimonials, highlight their experiences and the results that they've achieved. This is your low-hanging fruit. Also, ask current clients to share their progress and success on social media. This not only gives you social proof, but also promotes your course to a wider audience. And when they do this, this, take screenshots and save them in something like Google Drive. And lastly, showcase testimonials on your sales page. Use quotes, star ratings, screenshots, and if possible, video testimonials. For example, if you have a YouTube channel with people raving about how you've helped them, screenshot their comments and put that onto your sales page. Even though they may not have paid for your course, they are still raving about you, and that goes a long way. Right now, this may sound like a lot of work, because it is. But over the years, I've learned that there is a much faster way to build online courses so you're not wasting months building something that doesn't sell. So here's the fastest way to build online courses that you know will sell every time. There are two things that will virtually guarantee your course will sell before you've even built it: in-depth customer research and an intriguing course outline. When you know what you want your course to be about, it's time to start interviewing your target audience. Get on the phone or a Zoom call with them and ask these questions about your course topic. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to blank? What's your biggest hope, dream, or desire when it comes to blank? And what's the number one thing stopping you from getting there? If they say something vague like, I just want to lose weight, dig deeper and ask why. Well, I want to lose weight because I'll be able to walk up the stairs to see my grandkids without needing help, and I can pick them up and play with them instead of just sitting on the couch. See the difference? These are what I call emotionally charged phrases. There's always more to the story, which is why we need to keep asking why to get to the real reason they want change. As you do your research, keep track of those emotionally charged phrases in a document. After putting some time into this, you'll start to see some trends. People will be saying a lot of the same things, which should signal to you that you have a great product idea. Once you've found the biggest transformation that the majority of people want, it's time to outline your course. Pull out a whiteboard and map out the most simple, straightforward path to get your audience from point A to point B. The key is to start your course as a mini course that's about 2 hours long. You can price this between $50 to $200. That $50 program can turn into a $500 program. But in the beginning, we're only focusing on need-to-know information. Leave out all the nice-to-know stuff. You should come up with about 10 steps to get your people from point A to point B. These will become your course lessons. Now, it's up to you to film your course and upload it to a platform like Thinkific or Kajabi, then start marketing it. And by market your course, I mean getting the word out there that it exists by creating content around your course topic and pointing people to a killer sales page. Having a great sales page is the number one thing that allows you to sell your courses in your sleep. It's like having an around-the-clock sales rep that never takes a break and never asks for a raise. But when you see a huge sales page, it's easy to feel like that's an impossible feat. Lucky for you, I've laid out the entire roadmap in this video so you can build your sales page faster. If you have any questions from this lesson, let me know in a comment below. And if you got value from this, please share it with someone that you think it would benefit. As always, take what you learned here, get out there, make something happen. I'll see you in the next one.